Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce out of canned tomatoes, easy method. Start by opening 2 cans of whole tomatoes and draining half the juice into a bowl. Chop garlic and onion finely, then sauté in olive oil until translucent. Add tomatoes, the reserved juice, a pinch of sugar, salt, and pepper, then simmer uncovered for 25 to 35 minutes until thick. Gather simple ingredients and tools before you begin to make the process smooth and enjoyable, especially if you are new to making sauces. Have a large skillet or saucepan, wooden spoon, and a can opener ready. Measure olive oil, chop garlic and onion, and open 2 cans of tomatoes, setting aside the juice. Ready your seasonings like salt, pepper, and dried basil so you can add them as the sauce cooks. Heat olive oil over medium heat, then add garlic and onion, cooking until soft and fragrant without browning. Pour in the canned tomatoes and the reserved juice, breaking the tomatoes with your spoon or a potato masher for a chunky texture. Add salt, pepper, and a small pinch of sugar, then reduce heat and simmer uncovered for about 25 to 35 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens and flavors meld.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.